Good morning, everybody. People ask me how I like to start my day and what I like to eat. Well, if I don't have a green juice, maybe some fresh fruit. But if I can get a green juice, that's great. So today I'm starting my day with a green juice. Let me open my fridge and show you what I'm doing. I just got back from the gym, and here's what I'm going to be eating today. Alrighty, so we're going to take a look in the fridge here, and this is what I love to start my days with. This is fresh juice. Looks like there's some beets in there. My wife made this juice. I love sprouts. I make fresh lentil and mung bean sprouts. I try to have them daily. This is the pulp from the juice. I'll make some crackers with that. There's some sauerkraut back there. Here's some Ezekiel bread. I don't eat bread, but my daughters, my wife eat bread and cook food, and so that's the bread. If you're going to eat bread, that's the bread. I also have some sunflower sprouts here that I make in my own house. Sunflower sprouts, some dates and blueberries. Got some almonds. I try to keep my nuts in the fridge. Avocado, ginger. And then down here we got some spinach. I also get spinach from my yard. This is some leftover stuff that my daughters had that they'll probably have. I got some tomatoes and cauliflower and red peppers. My wife loves to make raw recipes, and those are two common ingredients. And cucumbers and greens. But this here is what I start my day with here. This green juice. It's red today, but this green juice, I love it. And this is the juicer that I use. It's a Green Star juicer. I love this juicer. And I have my little sprout station here. That's a pumpkin somebody grew and gave me. Yeah, there's some persimmons I got from the store, and these are avocados I got from my own tree. Okay, everybody, that was it. So I'm going to enjoy this juice, and then after that I might have some fruit. And then later in the afternoon I'll have a salad, maybe a recipe with the salad, or a wrap or something. And that's it. Put your comments and questions below. Have a great day and a great world life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.